Error 107 isn't always a Steam server crash. It's often your local settings causing the block. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Steam's error code 107 occurs because Steam's built-in browser can't connect properly. In this guide, we will show you the quick steps to refresh your connection. Method 1. Disable proxy servers. Error 107 can happen if Steam is blocked by proxy settings. To fix that, disable the proxy server. Here is how to do it. Open Internet Options from the search menu. Go to Connections, then LAN Settings. Uncheck Use Proxy Server for your LAN. Click OK to save changes. Method 2. Flush DNS and reset winsock. Network cache problems may trigger error 107. To fix that, flush DNS and reset winsock. Here is how to do it. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Run these commands one by one. ipconfig/flushdns, ipconfig/release, ipconfig/renew, netsh int ip reset, netsh winsock reset. Once done, restart your PC and relaunch Steam. Method 3. Update network drivers. Outdated drivers can cause connectivity issues leading to error 107. To fix that, update your network drivers. Here is how to do it. Open Device Manager, expand Network Adapters. Right-click your adapter, then select Update Driver, then search automatically. Follow instructions to finish the process. Method 4. Change DNS settings. Slow or incorrect DNS servers may block Steam connections. To fix that, change your DNS settings. Here is how to do it. Open Control Panel, then head to Network and Sharing Center. Select your connection, then Properties. Choose Internet Protocol version 4, then select Properties. Set the preferred DNS server address to 8.8.8.8 and the alternate DNS server address to 8.8.4.4. Click on OK and save the changes. You can also switch to the Cloudflare DNS server. For that, set the preferred DNS server address to 1.1.1.1 and the alternate DNS server address to 1.0.0.1. To save the changes, click on OK. Once done, restart your PC. Once the PC restarts, relaunch the game and see if the issue is fixed. Save changes and restart your PC. Method 5. Clear Steam cache. Whenever you download anything in Steam, it is stored in the Steam download cache. These downloaded files are stored there until they are installed. If some of these files are missing or get corrupted, then also you can get the Steam error message. So clear the Steam download cache and check if this helps. Open Steam as an administrator, click on the Steam tab and choose Settings. From Steam Settings, open the Downloads tab, click on Clear Download Cache. Confirm by clicking on the OK button. Wait till the process is complete. Now close all the Steam-related processes from the Task Manager. To do that, right-click on the Windows Start button and select Task Manager. Go to the Processes tab and right-click on each Steam-related process. Select the End Task option. Once terminated all the Steam-related tasks, restart Steam as an admin and check if the problem is solved. Here is a refreshed version of your outro from Steam error code 107, keeping the same tone but with smoother flow and varied wording. Steam's error code 107 might look like a major outage, but it's usually resolved with simple fixes, such as flushing DNS, adjusting firewall settings, or clearing cached data. Once you apply these steps, Steam will load pages normally again. If this guide helped you overcome error 107, don't forget to like, subscribe for more reliable gaming fixes, and share your own troubleshooting experiences in the comments, because chances are someone else is dealing with the same issue. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.